Hey guys, welcome, and today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Note 8. This phone is under $200 and I would recommend this to anybody who's going to buy phones under $200. Currently everybody knows about the spec of this phone, but I would still advise to go for this for any other under $200. It does performs well with under $400 phones. So without further ado, let's check it out.
So this is the box of Redmi Note 8, and now we're going to cut the plastic and peel it off from the box. It was difficult opening the box, and inside you get first is the user manual for the phone, and it comes with the case for the phone. It is black in color with shiny flexible plastic. I used it later on, it was really good. And then there is the pin for SIM card tray, and then the charger for the phone having of 5 volts into 2 amperes, that makes up to 10 watt. Then comes the cable type C. There's nothing more in the box though. The headphones, you have to buy it separately. So now about the phone, it is really good with a bit of weight to it, and it does have a quad camera setup with one of the main camera having a 48 MP. So once the plastic is peeled off from the phone, you can see as the phone is really full screen with having the teardrop notch. Basically most of the phone have this, so it's quite better than the Google Pixel 4. The phone has MIUI 11 out of the box, definitely Android 10. So you have to go through this process, even though if it's your first time or you have reset your phone. Once all the apps are loaded properly, there you have it, the UI interface for the Xiaomi. It's quite smooth for now, of course it's fresh, and this is the Xiaomi Note 8.
So that is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Note 8. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel for more new videos like this. Let the channel grow. And this is just a guy. Thanks for watching.